All right, Facebook. So today we have Sherina. Now, normally I'll take a dog or a cat to Fox13 to introduce them to the general public so that they can get adopted. But today I was instructed that I needed to take Sherina. And Sherina is a 1-year-old, 1-pound guinea pig. Now, if you are thinking about adopting some guinea pigs, then this could be perfect for you. So Sherina has 2 other siblings, and something that I learned today is rabbits and guinea pigs become very attached to other rabbits and guinea pigs if they've been with them for quite some time. And so it's very difficult for them to be separated. So Sherina has 2 siblings. So we are looking for someone who is interested in not only adopting Sherina, but they would also need to adopt Sherina's 2 siblings. So there would be 3 of them, all for the price of $25. So for $25, you could get 3 guinea pigs. And as you can see, Sherina here is just tiny. She's just weighs 1 pound. So super easy to hold. And something that I also learned about guinea pigs is they actually like daily affection, very similar to dogs. So they would appreciate, just like you'd pet your dog every day, they'd appreciate to be held kind of like a lap dog. If you're going to watch TV, they could definitely be good lap companions. So on that note, wanted to introduce everybody to Sherina in case anyone out there is thinking about adopting a guinea pig. All right. Thanks for watching.